Yo, what's going on, Crypto Avengers? I'm back again with an update video. This is my first update video on Cryptotab Browser mining Bitcoin. As you can see, it's been like 2 or 3 days. I have $14.68 earned in Bitcoin. Now, let's break down how did that happen? Well, there's a couple things we can look at. Ooh, rate is going up as we make this video. Okay, so you can see mined by you. I've only mined 11 cents. Okay. But guess where this $14 came from? The mining network. Okay. These are people who I told through my video and personally to start mining Bitcoin with their devices. Now, I want to say this is number one. Don't expect a lot of money if you're mining on your phone. Why? Your phone only has so much CPU power. It doesn't have that much processing power like a laptop or a desktop. And I want to say this, if you're going to want to see the nice amount of money, get a i7, or AMD, R8 or R9. I know you guys don't know. Some of you guys may not know about processors and stuff like that, but desktops are cheap as hell. You can get a desktop and build you a powerful computer for maybe a few $100s. Like we're talking less than $400. Okay, so here's the deal. You don't really need a powerful computer to make good money. And you guys should also not look at the daily earnings. Look at what you make over the month. Don't look at, oh, I'm only making $1 a day. Look at it as you made $30 in free Bitcoin over 30 days. But remember, if you guys are not going to have a computer running 24/7, like I don't have my laptop open 24/7. So what's the best thing for me to do? Well, that is tell a few other people, because when I give my link and you download it, right? If you're making $1 a day, in essence, what happens is when you give your link to someone, okay, and they're mining on a daily basis, you make 15% profit match on what they make. So if they're making $1 a day, you're making 15 cents a day because they made $1 on that day. Okay. That's how that works. If a person is making $10 a day, then you make $1 a day. No, not $1. Something, shoot, I can't think about the math right now. Anyways, I want to get to this point here. Now just remember, it's 15% on the first generation. Now I'm going to show you guys my affiliate dashboard so you can get a breakdown of this, and I'll kind of just show you what I mean. So I had 27 people clicked on my link, 9 downloads and 8 installs. Okay. Actively right now, as this video is being recorded, I have 5 people, 3 miners and 1 miner on my second generation. Okay, so there's 5 people that are mining as I make this video, and I'm earning because they're mining. Now, the reason why I'm making more money than maybe a few other people with less amount of referrals is because I'm showing people how to boost their speeds. And how you do that is, right now mine is turned off. I'm gonna put it on max. Now, you guys gotta also know this. It only uses the extra power. Your CPU is not being used while you're actually what you're doing on your computer. So like the more activities you're doing on your computer, the slower this hash rate is going to be. Like normally I'm actually recording a video right now, so my hash rate is only 1500. Now I got a powerful laptop, but if I'm not doing anything on my laptop, I'm getting like 2000. Okay. Now what I did is I purchased the boost. Now you can buy a speed boost, okay, up to 10 times what your normal power is. that means you earn up to 10 times more. So for me, I purchased the 0.6 to test it out. So when I turn this on, see it says 1600. When I turn that on, boom, I'm at 9,000. So now I'm earning 6 times what I would normally earn. So here's the deal. If you give your link and you show people and you tell them you want to boost your power, boost what you have currently, whether it's on your phone or whether it's on your desktop, and preferably you want people to do this from their laptop and desktop. Okay, you can do it on the phone. I'm gonna show you guys videos, examples. And a lot of people don't believe this is real, or it's a network marketing pyramid. Like, no, dude, get that old mentality out of here. There's plenty of fucking companies around, like Mary Kay, like here in our man, listen. If you still thinking like that in 2020, go work a job. Don't get in crypto. Don't be making money online. Because that's what everything is about, is referrals, 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 okay? That's how the online business works. That's how people get rich. That's how your favorite Instagrammers are getting paid a lot of money, from referring people to business. That's how it works. That's how you make money in 2020, baby. So let me show you. I'm going to turn this off because I want to keep my speeds. I don't want to be using my CPU power while I'm making a video. Turn that off. And I'm going to show you guys this video here.
How do they pay out? And obviously with Bitcoins, you need to have a Bitcoin.
So this guy already withdrew $700 in Bitcoins. Now, I'm going to have a payment video coming because I put in a withdrawal request. And they don't charge you any transaction fees to withdraw your money. Like when you move money in Bitcoin, the transactions are kind of expensive. These guys charge nothing, okay? So when you withdraw $14 in Bitcoin, you're going to get your $14 in Bitcoin. No fees. It's amazing. That alone is ridiculously crazy. So this guy's done over $700 in withdrawals.
Wallet. And the wallet that I use, as you can see right here, is called Coinbase. And with Coinbase, you just have to sign up with an email. And
now, I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Coinbase, but I deal with another one called Cryptotab. I'm going to tell you why. Cryptotab, you can borrow loans against your own Bitcoin. So let's say you have $1,000 in Bitcoin in Cryptotab. You can actually get a loan of $1,500 and pay it back with no interest. So you can essentially keep your Bitcoin as Bitcoin, but let's say you need to pay off something. Okay, you got a bill, you got to pay a bill or something. You can go and borrow up to 50% more than what you have, no interest, and then boom, that means you keep your Bitcoin. They give you dollars, and then you pay it back, and you never sold your Bitcoin. That's what you can do with Cryptotab. So this is why I suggest that over Coinbase. He's using Coinbase. I don't like Coinbase, but hey.
And they're going to give you a wallet link. And with that link, you can earn Bitcoins and receive and sell them. So now you can see here that my current balance is 0.0057 Bitcoin. And you can also look at how all the transactions that I've done in the past. And most of these are from Cryptotab. So you can see that they do pay out, and that I did receive $249, for example, and then I was able to sell it and receive cash for US dollars, a total of $309 actually.
So let me tell you what this guy is doing. Like, see, this is what I was talking about in my last video about earning Bitcoins and selling it for that day's value. I'm not doing that anymore. I am not doing that anymore. I am just going to stack these Bitcoins because I'm telling you, you can do what you want. But for me, I'm holding Bitcoin for the long term because it is the new gold standard. And it's going to continue to rise, period. I don't care if you disagree or agree with me. You can turn around and be earning $100 a day in this. And you can sell it for cash if you want to. But cash is a depreciating value, while Bitcoin outperforms every asset class on this planet, damn near. as far as on the long-term scale of things. It goes up, up, up. Yeah, we have retracements down 70, 60%, but overall, Bitcoin goes up, baby. Oh, I want to show you guys this before I hop over to this other video. So when I boost this, normally I'm getting about 19,000 hashes. And some people want to ask, is that profitable? Well, here's a Monero mining calculator. And if you guys don't know, when you're using Cryptotab, you're mining another cryptocurrency called Monero. But they pay you out immediately in Bitcoin. So you don't see the Monero, they just pay you out in BTC. Okay? So here I use the Monero calculator. I could put the speed, so 19,000 hashes a second, like right here, you see, hashes a second. Normally it's about 19,000, 10 cents for electricity, whatever. It factors all that in. And on a monthly basis, I'm making $71. Let's say $18 goes in electricity. So I'm making $53 in Bitcoin a month just having my computer on. Okay, so imagine if you have 100, 200, 300 people that are doing this, like using your link, that are making $50, and that's only with the 6x boost. If I go upgrade to the 10 times, now I'm gonna go even higher. So, in essence, this is probably gonna be like 2,500 maybe, 2,500. Calculate that. Boom. Now I'm making 75. Okay, so monthly, daily $3, $21 weekly, $93. That's if I keep my computer constantly running. This is why it may be good to actually get a desktop to do this. And boost, you can boost all your devices with this 6x, 2x, 10x, or whatever one you purchase speed. And this is why I have made $14, because the people that are here are boosting. Now let me show you this video. This guy is doing crazy. You got people
to make sure that you go on ahead and just purchase the Pro, because if you get the free edition, you have to wait like 2 days to get access to mining on your phone, and this is server.
So you got guys that have like 6 or 7, 8 phones open, mining and boosting the speed. So you can see this guy has, let me make this video bigger. You can see this guy has a 10x boost on all his devices. Now on mobile, you pay one time. Like you pay the one time $10 or $20 and it boosts for good. But on desktop, you pay monthly for the boost. On mobile is one time. But as you can see, you're only getting, with his 10x boost, he's only getting 318 hashes a second. I mean, one computer can be like 5 phones. So, I mean, yeah, you can have your phones running that you don't use, and yeah, Android phones are cheap. But if you want to see the real money, you want to have a few desktops. Or not even a few desktops. You can put a bunch of CPUs and GPUs in one desktop. GPUs in one desktop and mine that way. But yeah, the phones, like I said, they're going to make some money, but the real money is going to be from a computer, and the extreme money is going to be from telling your people, tell your friends. Everyone's using computers and desktops and stuff like that. So if they're going to be going on YouTube and working and doing PDFs and all of that stuff, they might as well be making an income at the same time, like these guys.
Dependent mining. That's why the hash rates are so good. So if you have any questions or concerns, put them down in the comment section below. But I should have another video showing you guys my setup and the farm that I am making.
Now, I'm going to go over here and jump to the chart, the Bitcoin chart, because the last time I made the video, the price of Bitcoin was, I think, 6,000 even or something, 16,000 even. I'm going to show you this. All right, so here we are at the Bitcoin chart. Oh, my God, we're at $16,800, and we're going about 17,000. This is not losing any power. If you guys know how to read charts, I kind of want to give that kind of content, but let me see. This is going nuts. Like Bitcoin is going nuts, and this is just getting started, guys. So as you can see, you don't want to always be selling your Bitcoins. Look at Bitcoin as the gold standard. Look at it as a hedge against the dollar, because the dollar is going to continue to lose value because they're printing a lot of it to pump the economy. So that's it for my video. Links going to be in the description, and let's get this Bitcoin.